Okay, this is crazy. I built a mini cash register in Excel. You select items, it calculates tax and discounts, and it prints a receipt automatically.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
Like and comment so I can see how many people are doing this after watching it. First, generate a clean drop-down list of item names. It auto-updates as the inventory grows. Next, I set up the register line items. Item, quantity, unit price, taxable, and line total. Now in H5, I add a drop-down, and the source is the spilled list, P2, and add hashtag. And I add conditional formatting so empty item cells turn gray. It looks like an actual app input field. Here's the automation. Pick an item, and Excel pulls the unit price and taxable flag with XLOOKUP. Then line total is just quantity times price. Now I build the totals panel, tax rate, and 2 discount toggles, member 10% and coupon $5. Subtotal calculates everything, taxable subtotal calculates only taxable lines, then tax, then discounts, and final total. Next, add your tax rate, insert the checkboxes from the Insert tab, and use these formulas to calculate everything automatically. If you want the full worksheet, head to my bio, click the link, choose Microsoft OneDrive, and download it there. And this is the wow part. I generate a full receipt with one let formula. It builds a receipt ID, formats each line item, and prints subtotal, tax, discount, and total, all as a receipt block. Then I copy the formulas down for multiple line items. Now it's a real checkout grid. Now watch. I pick items, type quantities, totals update live. And when I tick member or coupon, discount hits instantly and the receipt updates. Now I set up a smart trick. I keep my receipt generated in one cell, and I display it in another merged area by just referencing it. Next, I record a macro called pay. This will print, save the receipt to history, and reset the register. First, the macro sets the print area to the receipt, then prints it. Then it copies the receipt into a history sheet as values only, so it never changes, and inserts a new blank row so the next receipt always goes at the top. And finally, it resets everything, clears the items and quantities, and flips the discount checkboxes back to false. Stop recording, assign it to a button. And now checkout is literally one click. Now whenever I'm done, I just hit pay, it prints the receipt, logs it, and resets the register automatically.